whenever and wherever possible. Our pursuit of product quality and character has never changed. Facilities outsourcing, carefully selecting every part. Use high-performance fasteners. Outsource supporting products from first-class domestic and foreign brands. The core components are made of high-quality, wear-resistant ductile castings and heat-treated structural alloy steel. Process optimization, refining on every detail. High-precision laser cutting and wire cutting ensure smooth cut surface without deformation. The precision welding of intelligent robots guarantees the welding quality and structural strength. Use high-precision Japanese CNC gantry milling machine to improve machining accuracy on all aspects. The finished product testing uses a trilinear coordinates measuring instrument, quickly and accurately figuring out the product accuracy. Shot peening and frosting process efficiently remove surface impurities and stress, and improve the corrosion resistance and fatigue resistance of parts. Precise CNC machining enables precise forming of parts, ensuring the key technologies are realized. System upgrade, improving user experience. Electronic control system, establish a collaborative operating platform to realize remote control. Independent and sealed control box and intelligent parameter storage make troubleshooting easy, maintenance costs low, conforming to the cost principle. Hydraulic system. Adopt servo control and realize stable operation of the equipment. High precision, low noise, and little damage to oil. With the oil heated and air-cooled function, energy saving and environmental protection are available. Sand shooting system. Adopt innovative multi-channel gas source combination sand shooting method. The sand shooting pressure, sand shooting gas flow rate, and sand shooting method can be flexibly adjusted in the light of different products. Model system. The guide bushing is replaced by a composite fiber one, which is less leak. The height of the sand mold can be adjusted freely within the adjustable range to improve the user experience. Personalized customization, pursuing super cost performance. According to the product size, reasonably customize the sand frame to better adjust the ratio of foundry sand and iron. Reasonably select and customize the frame compaction function to strengthen the hardness of the sand protection layer. Various compaction and sand reduction contacts can be installed on the upper and lower pressure plates. The nozzle is equipped with a diversion groove to promote more uniform and substantial sand distribution in sand casting. According to the product's core loading requirements, the lower box slide-out function is adopted, which is convenient and accurate for core loading to reduce work intensity and ensure a higher factor of safety. Diversified model selection.